Despite warning of the judge's former lawyer, Trump Codefendent remains loyal to defense lawyer loaded defense lawyer and represents two witnesses that can be called to witness him. Subtitle Hide. Subtitle Donald Trump's federal classified documents trial of a former president who was pushed to May 2024 will be in the middle of the presidential year in 2024. Lindsey Leake. Wochit Fort Pierce. Former President Donald Trump second attempt in hearing case proceeded without incident on Friday. When there were no theaters that shortened last week, Trump Aide Waltine Nauta returned to Fort Pierce Courthouse to decide whether divided loyalty of his lawyer poses a huge risk for his own defense. He represents witness and represents each other in past. U.S. Regional Judge Aileen Cannon said that Nauta, who has long been a valet, could withdraw his fists from an ethical and moral obligation to protect Woodward's customers' confidence in his customers. The same warning was directed to Trump's third coded Carlos de Oliveira in the first of the two conflict trials last week. Oliveira said that he understood the risks of having a contradictory lawyer with contradictory interests, but chose to continue with his lawyer John Irving. Nauta was preparing to make same decision in second of two hearings on October 12. Woodward argued that Trump aide could not decide immediately in light of new legal arguments spread over by prosecutor David Harbach. Harbach argued that Woodward's obligation to his clients went beyond the need to protect his trust. During cross-examination, he said he would prevent Woodward from weakening his reliability during the closing arguments. The position seemed to be confusing defense lawyers and judgments and was not included in legal summary of government opened before hearing. Friday's hearing meant to end last week's beginning. It took roughly an hour. Like Oliveira, Naula replied, yes. The judge said that if he thought that conflicts were enough to weaken confidence of people in trials, he could invalidate his decision. Hannah Phillips is a journalist covering public security and criminal justice in Palm Beach Post.